This gas cap costs 185 bucks. Don't buy one. I'll show you how to get yours off when it won't come off and 2 ways to fix it. One for 5 bucks and one that'll eliminate the root problem altogether. If yours just spins and doesn't come off, do this. See what we got in here. We got the cap head, the vent hose, we got the ratchet mechanism, which is the problem. This is the thing that makes the click, click, click when you tighten your cap and it goes bad, and that's why the cap doesn't come off sometimes. So sometimes you still need to do this to actually loosen the cap from the tank. Get out of here, fly. The $5 fix. Put epoxy down in here. Put epoxy all around there. Set it in there. Let it cure. This is the fix I went with, a one-piece cap made by Anchor, available on hyperlightmoto.com. I have no affiliation to them. One thing to know is the Anchor cap does not come with the O-ring. You have to take it off the factory cap. In the video description, I put links for both fixes. If you like stuff like this, you'll probably like the video I just made on my in-cab truck camping setup.